Hundreds of Western students lining up for COVID testing. So many, the testing center hit capacity just an hour after opening.
I don't really know when a good time would be to come because now it's like, it seems pretty obvious that it will be busy for the whole week.
None of the cases came from campus.
The pandemic isn't over.
But several have been linked to private gatherings and nights out like this.
So there clearly is a lot of activity in terms of COVID-19 spreading in the student populations, but particularly large gatherings in bars and close quarters.
As university towns see students converge, there are fears those flouting the rules could fuel the virus's resurgence. A house party is to blame for outbreaks at 2 Quebec post-secondary schools. In Nova Scotia, at least 5 university students have been fined, 1 even expelled for not self-isolating.
We're not going to come out of this unscathed.
Ontario's Minister of Colleges and Universities asked students to call out their classmates' bad behavior.
A lot of that peer-to-peer type of monitoring is going to be required moving forward.
In the U.S., nearly 90,000 college students have tested positive. A crucial message for keeping numbers low here, say doctors, is that young people aren't immune.
Looked after a number of people who were between the ages of 20 and 30 who were very sick on a ventilator. So it's just important. We don't want that to happen to anybody.
Western's early outbreak is not surprising, say students frustrated with their peers.
One girl said she wanted to have a normal first year experience, and we're like, well, the more you do that, it's going to turn into a first week experience until we're all sent home. Yeah.
The last thing those students want when classes began less than a week ago. Ellen Morrow, CBC News, Toronto.